Hello and welcome to another episode of Your Landscaping Coach. My name is Ed Wallace, owner and operator of Midwest Landscaping based in Los Angeles, California. In today's tip and lesson, we're going to talk about the PVC Lock fitting that is made by the hydroRain Corporation. PVC Lock by hydroRain is a remarkable push fit fitting for repairing and installing PVC pipe and irrigation systems without any toxic grooves or primers. Each PVC lock fitting contains a stainless steel retainer ring and an O-ring seat to prevent leaking at both the low and abnormally high pressures. Using PVC lock fittings allows you to lose the glue, so to speak, and reduces traditional installation times by over 50%. With the PVC lock, you'll leave the project with a clean hands and a clear conscience, knowing that your installation is environmentally safe and being protected from harmful chemicals. Okay, this is built for speed. Patent pending push and go design, 100% tool and chemical free approach that cuts the installation time in half. So for all you DIYers out there and landscape pros, this is going to help cut down the amount of time it takes you in order to install an irrigation system. Your push fit fitting, this is an idea what we're talking about. There we go. We're able to push it in. We're ready to go. We have 365-degree capabilities with the fittings, and as you can see here with this this irrigation setup here coming off of our main, supplying water for our valves. These are different T's for the valves, and as you see here, if we wanted to run anti-siphon valves, we can twist those up 360 up and have our piping come straight up and have our PVC pipe come up so we can meet our anti-siphon valves, or in this case we're running inline valves so we can twist these down and do our inline work from there. It's built for green advantages. The PVC lock fittings are chemical free and glueless and tool free installations. So the only tool that you'll need is probably a pair of PVC cutters, pipe cutters, and that's it. It's a patent pending retaining system that we have here. The stainless steel teeth in the pipe, they grip the pipe for a strong and leak-proof connection. So once that's on there, it's not coming off. And the way that it works is that when the water pressure builds up inside the pipe, the stainless steel teeth, they'll grip a hold of the pipe, and there's a rubber gasket in there that'll seal off the pipe so you don't have any leaking at all. And the swivel on the pipe is the installation as fittings. They can swivel up to 365 degrees around the pipe, allowing for easy sprinkler head orientation and adjustment, as I just pointed out. And also, when I was putting this together, it's almost like a Lego, so to speak. So we can turn it this way, turn it up, do all kind of configurations in order to get this the way that we want it. So it's really functional and really easy to work with, and we're able to get exactly what we want from the standpoint of the height and all the other good stuff. And also it's universal, so for use on all types of piping, schedule 40, schedule 80. This is schedule 80 here, so the fittings will work on schedule 40 and schedule 80 and class 200 PVC pipe. They're pressure rated, and the pressure rate's like up to about 300 and something pounds of pressure. And what makes this really unique is that you can insert this little key here and push it in. So if you make a mistake or need to make a change, you can put that little key in there and twist it, and that fitting will come right off. So what the key does, it pushes down the flanges in there, and it makes it so that the fitting can release. So let that dirt off of there. But as you see here, we have a little tool that will hone this down. So when we're putting the pipes together or putting the fittings on the pipe, there's a little bevel tool that we use to bevel that down. And then we can slide it on there a lot easier. It's rounded off. It's no burrs at all. And so that's the unique thing that I want to show you in the virtues of this particular type of irrigation component system, is utilizing the hydroRain PVC lock system. You can go online and find out who has the PVC lock as suppliers in your city or your town or in your part of the country, no matter where you are in the world. These PVC locked fittings are available. I'll have a couple links there to show you where you can also get them at some of the irrigation supply houses. But I would think about considering utilizing this system when you're doing your irrigation system retrofit, you're putting in a new system. This is fantastic. It's fast, no glue, and no hassles. And plus, if you make mistakes, you can come through with the key and come through and make your corrections. Thank you for watching. In the comments, let me know what you think about this system. If you think it's something that'll leak. Some guys think that it'll leak, so they don't like to use it, or they're afraid to use it. Tell me your thoughts. Do you think that something like this would leak? Would you ever use a system like this? Is it advantageous for you DIYers, for you DIYers, and for people that have problems with their hands or a little weak in the hands? This is fantastic. So you can just push these things on here, so you have a lot of dexterity and a lot of options you can do with your hands. Not have to worry about it. Okay, thanks for watching. Be sure to tune into the next video. It gives you more tips and ideas. Ed Wallace, your landscaping coach. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.